Alankrita Sengupta from grade 7. I attended the workshop based on app development arranged by SuperTeacher on both days, and I got to learn a lot of things. I enjoyed the event thoroughly. I got to know about the functions of a lot of sensors. I also got to learn about the different stages of development process, which helped me to understand the topic more deeply. I also got to learn other different concepts about hardware and software, and I have created an app named Walkie Walkie which uses the pedometer sensor. The pedometer sensor provides us with a measure of the number of steps we've taken. And my app Walkie Walkie will help users of all ages to keep a track of the number of steps they have taken during exercise, workouts, and even in their daily lives. And I would like to sincerely thank Vasu sir and the entire team of SuperTeacher for the wonderful workshop for learning. Thank you so much.